Should I invest $50,000 in a gold IRA in 2024? In today's volatile financial climate, considering a $50,000 investment in a gold IRA for 2024 could be wise. Here's a simplified look at why. Economic context: with inflation, geopolitical instability, and fluctuating interest rates, traditional investments face uncertainty. Gold, with its long-standing value, serves as a reliable hedge against these risks. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Gold IRA benefits. 1. Inflation hedge: gold maintains purchasing power over time. 2. Diversification: it adds stability to a portfolio by reducing reliance on paper assets. 3. Tangible asset: unlike stocks, gold is a physical asset with intrinsic value. 4. Tax advantages: offers potential tax deferral on gains. Considerations. 1. Liquidity: physical gold isn't easily converted to cash without penalties. 2. No income generation: gold doesn't provide dividends or interest. 3. Storage fees: costs for storing gold can add up. Alternatives: ETFs or other precious metals might offer liquidity and lower fees. Diversifying within these options could balance your portfolio. A $50,000 gold IRA investment might suit your financial goals if you consider these factors and ensure it complements your overall strategy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.